Tim mar KCB mar rugby noloyo Mwamba RFC praboro kuma pare tugo mar Kenya Cup. Felix Ojo, Peter Waitere, Dawina Mokiza kod Michael Kimwele noloyo tries nus mokwongo manyoketo jobengigo 42 maberio. Koloso bang' loch makamano e pautuke Madaraka Grounds, jalup japuonj maduong' mar KCB RFC Mariko Mushila onyiso mor mare kit tugo manyo yawuote go tugo, wach mane osir kod kapten mar timno Katis Lilako.
Comparing it to last season against Mwamba, they really gave us a tough game. We just came expecting that it was going to be a hard game today, which was, but no, just the boys did what we did. We trained hard this week. We focused on the mistakes we made last week, and I just thank them for the victory that we had.
Yeah, the boys have been working hard during the week, so the confidence is building slowly. As usual, it's one game at a time. So yeah, look forward to next week. We'll prepare for Strathmore just the way we prepare for any other team.